guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be reviewing Angelo's shrimp scampi pasta frozen dinner. All descriptions of this review will be listed below. Let's just say I thoroughly enjoyed this frozen dinner pasta. I think this will definitely be part of my grocery go-to frozen item when I don't feel like cooking. My only thing about this frozen dinner that I don't like, it's the calorie count is very high. Of course, there's a lot of carbs involved, so I won't buy these so often, but I think this will be a go-to item sporadically. I really enjoyed this video. It was very quick. The sauce was very creamy. I do think Angelo's also have other dinner options, and I'll take a look at that and I'll let you guys know, and I'll also do reviews on them. I'll do my research and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. As I said, I put it in a microwave for about 5 minutes. I followed the instructions and it was very delicious. This pasta was very delicious. I really hope that you guys enjoy these reviews that I'm going to start. Please give me your feedback in the description box below. I really hope that you enjoy it. Bye.